If you're still using AliExpress for every order, it's probably not because you want to. It's because you don't know what to switch to. AliExpress is where almost everyone starts. I used it, most people I know used it, and for testing products, it can work. But the moment you start getting real orders, that's when the cracks start to show. Slow shipping, bad quality, and zero support when something goes wrong. In this video, I'm breaking down the best AliExpress alternatives for dropshipping. These are real fulfillment options that make sense if you want to grow your business rather than putting out fires every day. We'll compare these suppliers side by side, we'll talk about who each one is actually for, and then I'll show you how to choose the best option based on where your business is at right now. So my name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So let's start by talking about AliExpress suppliers and comparing them to the different private suppliers that are out there. So like I mentioned, AliExpress is okay when you're first getting started and you're making between 0 and 5 orders every single day. But the problems here is that you're dealing with random suppliers for every product you sell. So each product on AliExpress can literally have like hundreds of different suppliers, and you don't know which ones are good and which ones are bad. I mean, there are indications like their ratings, their sales history, how long they've been in business, but none of these are guarantees. You also have long and very inconsistent shipping times. A lot of products on AliExpress will say like 7 to 10 day delivery, but a lot of times they're not getting delivered for over 30 business days. A lot of the suppliers on AliExpress still use ePacket, and those typical delivery times you're looking at like 20 to 30 days. You can't have that. When you're competing directly with e-com giants like Amazon or TikTok Shop, you can't be waiting over 30 days for your products to arrive. You need to make sure all your products are delivered in just 3 to 7 days. You also have no quality control. Like I already talked about, you're dealing with random suppliers that are all over the place. A lot of times they send out the wrong items or fake tracking numbers, so your customers never get their order. There's really no branding options. You can't really put your logo on your products or on your packaging like you can with private suppliers. And there's very little support when you're dealing with AliExpress. A lot of times you actually have to reach out to AliExpress themselves just to get a refund. So with all that in mind, it's very hard to scale a dropshipping store when you're depending on AliExpress suppliers. So once you start making a couple sales every single day, I usually advise at least 3 orders a day, you want to switch over to a private supplier. This is a dedicated supplier or a dropshipping agent that can source any product you need them to. They have much faster shipping options. They usually have their own private lines. They usually have a quality control team in place. These are people that inspect every order before it goes out, making sure there's no damaged items, no broken packaging, nothing. And of course, you have your custom branding and packaging. You can put your logo on your products. You can create custom thank you cards, stickers, custom packaging, whatever you need. And one of my favorite things is the automation. So working with private suppliers, you can automate all of your orders. This means you don't have to touch any of your orders or deal with any of your customers. Your supplier will ship all of your orders out for you as they come in. So that way you can only focus on what really matters, making sales. And this is truly the better option when you're going to scale a business. So let's move down here real quick and talk about what you should be looking for when you actually go to switch to a private supplier. These are the 7 things that matter the most. Number 1, you want to make sure you have faster shipping options. Like we already talked about, all of your orders should be delivered in just 3 to 7 days. Typically, you want to make sure they have US and Europe based warehouses. That way, all of your orders aren't coming just from China. It's a given that you need reliable fulfillment. Any good supplier will be able to do all of that for you. Good suppliers can also help you source any product you need to for your store. So if you have a winning product taken from AliExpress, they'll be able to source that for you. Or if you have any custom items like print on demand, or you're making custom variants of other products. You also want to make sure they have a Shopify integration or whichever platform you're selling on, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, Amazon, TikTok Shop, or wherever. Automation is important, like we already talked about, same with scalability. And of course, you want to make sure each supplier has a good support system. Typically, they'll assign you your own dedicated account agent. This is someone that keeps you up to date with everything to do with your business. So they'll source products for you, they'll find faster shipping lines, they'll get costs down, they can do anything you need them to. And of course, they'll update you with things like order delays, when new shipping lines become available, or anything else. So let's start by going over our first private supplier, and that would be Fulfillman. So this is Fulfillman. Now, Fulfillman is a 3PL service or third-party logistics, and this just simply means that they're able to source any products you need them to, store them in their own warehouses, and ship everything out for you as your orders come in. Now, these guys are able to do a ton of different things for you depending on which kind of business you're actually running. If you're running a dropshipping store like me, they can handle all of your sourcing and fulfillment. They can pretty much source any product you need them to from China, but they also support Amazon FBA, crowdfunding. They have their own product photography team. So no matter what product you're selling, you can actually send it to these guys and get high quality photos, videos, or any type of graphics you need. And of course, you can use these on your website, in your ads, on your social media pages, whatever you need them for. And of course, they have their own private line shipping. So they're actually able to source all of your products and get them delivered in just 5 days or less. And you guys can see right here that they actually integrate with all of the top platforms out there. So if you're selling on Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, or whatever. One of my favorite things is their custom branding option. So you can put your logo on your packages, on your flyers, you can create custom thank you cards, boxes, bubble mailers, or whatever else you need. But also they have some of the best policies out of any other supplier I've worked with. As you guys can see right here, if your customers get a damaged product, wrong product, if it gets lost in the mail, or if they want to return it, they'll handle all of this for you. And unlike most 3PL services, it's entirely free. The only thing you have to pay for is your orders as they come in. There's no storage fees, there's no service fees, there's no monthly fees, unlike most of these other suppliers out there. Because you have to consider that every supplier makes money off of you each time you place an order. They go ahead and upcharge each order like 20 or 50 cents, and all of that adds up as you're making thousands of orders every day. But there's other greedy suppliers out there that are just in it for your money. They'll charge you transaction fees, storage fees, monthly fees, or any other fees you can think of, but not fulfillment. Working with these guys is entirely free. Now you guys can see right here, they have hundreds of high rated reviews on Trustpilot. So this is a really good trusted supplier. I will go ahead and leave a link for Fulfillman down below in case you want to try them out. That'll take you to their homepage right here where you can select get a free quote. From there, you'll just fill out a little more information about your brand and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you with an accurate quote right away. Now, Fulfillment is best for scaling winning products no matter what stage you're in. They do have minimums, so you want to make sure you're doing that 3 order a day minimum like we already talked about. But the pros are you're working with your own private fulfillment partner. They're able to source and fulfill any product you need them to much cheaper than AliExpress. You have faster shipping options, you have custom packaging and branding options, you have quality control, dedicated support, and overall this platform is built for growing businesses. The only cons are that it's not ideal for absolute beginners. It does require some order volume. Like I already talked about, you want to be making at least a couple orders every single day. And of course, it's not a product browsing marketplace. That's not really a con. A lot of the suppliers you see out there have an entire catalog or directory of all their winning products, but really you don't want other people looking at your best performing products. So Fulfillment keeps all of that private. So Fulfillment is definitely one of the best AliExpress alternatives out there right now. But let's go ahead and go over our second option, and that would be TeemDrop. All right, so same thing here. TeemDrop is another 3PL service. This one focuses specifically on dropshipping businesses. And you guys can see right here, there's a ton of winning products all around Valentine's Day, because that's just weeks away right now. So they're already giving you some ideas of products you can sell directly on their platform. A lot of these are winners that I see perform well every single year. You guys can see how simple the process actually is right here. You're gonna go ahead and link your store right up to TeemDrop, whether you're selling on Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other supported platform. Once you sync it up, you'll go ahead and list your winning products right from TeemDrop to your Shopify store. It'll sync everything up for you, and they'll go ahead and fulfill all of your orders as they start to come in. Now, TeemDrop's great because they work with growing businesses. There's actually no minimum orders to get started with them. So even if you're making 0 orders every day, or maybe just a couple orders a week, you can actually start working with TeemDrop right now. So these guys are truly a growth partner from starting your business to scaling it up and everything in between. There's some more information about TeemDrop right here. They have over 1 million active users. They do over $100 million in sales annually with over 12,000 square meters of warehouse space. I like this one right here. They have over 100 different shipping lines. So you guys can see more information about what TeemDrop can actually do for you. They have their AI product sourcing, They can do print on demand and custom packaging, so you can create custom boxes and poly mailers just like this. They have auto fulfill, so you can fulfill all of your orders automatically. You don't have to touch any of your orders. Quality control team in place, 24/7 customer support. Just like Fulfillman, TeemDrop will assign you your own dedicated account manager. This is someone that talks to you every single day about your business. They can source products for you. They can get new shipping lines. They'll update you with any of your previous orders. This is truly a business partner that cares about your growth. And of course, they link up with all the top platforms out there. The great thing about TeemDrop is they can match the requirements for TikTok Shop, Etsy, and Amazon. Like for example, I know on TikTok Shop, you have to ship all of your orders out within 2 days and have them delivered within 6. TeemDrop can meet those requirements for you. But of course, they support other platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and all the major ones out there. Now, another great thing about working with TeemDrop is there's no hidden cost, as you can see right here. So most fulfillment services like ZenDrop or AutoDS will add up every single month. They cost on average around $99 a month, and that's before you fulfill any orders. But with TeemDrop, you fulfill all of your orders as they come in, and there's no additional costs. There's no storage fees, warehouse fees, transaction fees, nothing. So it's just like AliExpress. You'll log in every day and you'll fulfill all of your orders as they come in. Or you can just automate the entire thing for you. Because I would not be talking about any low quality supplier on this channel. I wouldn't be giving you guys options that charge hidden fees or go behind your back. These are actual suppliers that I work with on my own brands. So same thing with TeemDrop. I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below in case you want to try them out. But let's go ahead and talk about some of the pros and cons of working with TeemDrop. TeemDrop is best for scaling winning products no matter what stage you're in. They're beginner friendly. They have US based suppliers for most products. They have a very simple and smooth Shopify integration, so you can link your Shopify store and all of your orders directly up to their platform. And of course, it's much faster and easier to use than working with AliExpress suppliers. Some of the cons are they do have a smaller product catalog, but of course, they're able to source any product you need. So if it's not on there already, just reach out to your agent. But since they are a newer supplier, sometimes they can't keep up with the larger volume orders, but just reach out to your agent and ask them any questions you have beforehand. They're always transparent throughout this entire process. All right, so next up we have CJ Dropshipping. And CJ Dropshipping used to be like the OG private supplier for dropshippers everywhere, but I'm not gonna lie, their quality and service has actually gone down in recent years. But they are still one of the best AliExpress alternatives out there. Don't let me stray you away from them. So of course, you can connect your Shopify store with one click with this button right here, and they make it super simple to get started and start sourcing products. You can see a lot of their winners right here. One thing I will say, we can see this product right here is $4. If we look at the product page, they do have a lot of hidden fees. You're paying $4, then you're paying $170 for a shipping fee, $544 for the last mile shipping fee. So out the door, you're getting this product delivered for $11.25, even though they advertise it for only $4. You have to keep that in mind for any product you want to sell. And unlike Fulfillman and TeemDrop, they're not very flexible with their pricing. With those two other suppliers, you can reach out to your agent and they're able to lower your prices for any product you want to sell. But with CJ, you just have to suck up the high costs. One of the great things about working with CJ Dropshipping though is that they're able to meet the requirements for any of these major platforms out there. So like we already talked about, TikTok Shop does have very strict shipping requirements, but CJ Dropshipping can meet all of those. Because if you guys look right here, they have over 10 global warehouses and over 1 million factories in their network. So they're able to store your products in US and Europe based warehouses and get them delivered in just 7 days or less. That's definitely one of the advantages of working with CJ Dropshipping because they're one of the biggest companies out there. And of course, they can handle all of this. They can source any products you need them to. They can do their custom packaging, print on demand, bulk ordering, or 3PL services. And you guys can compare all of their different pricing plans down here. So they have a free plan that works for everybody, but then you have their Plus, Prime, and Advanced options for $15, $19, and $60 a month. Although these are for growing businesses, like I already talked about, a good supplier is not in it for your money. A good supplier will give you all of these benefits at no extra cost. So I don't exactly recommend working with CJ as a complete beginner because the high costs on CJ Dropshipping will definitely eat into your margins. Let's talk about CJ a little further right here. CJ Dropshipping is best for advanced sellers who want full control. but they aren't afraid to spend all of that extra money. Some of the pros of working with CJ is that they do have a massive catalog. They probably have the biggest catalog of any of these suppliers. They also have the most global warehouses out of any of these. They're able to source any products you need them to. They have their automation options, and they're actually able to handle high volume orders. So CJ can handle anything from like 5 orders a day to like 5,000 orders a day. They're able to keep up with every step of your business as you start to grow it. Some of the cons of working with CJ is the fact that the quality control does vary from supplier to supplier. Not to mention their service does cost a lot more. So just like the other two, I'll go ahead and leave a link for CJ down below in case you want to try them out. I highly recommend taking whatever product it is you want to sell and comparing it with all 3 of these suppliers. See who can get you the highest quality, the lowest prices, and the fastest shipping. Then place a sample order to your house to make sure they meet all of those requirements. That's truly the best way to find a new supplier for your business. The biggest takeaway here isn't that AliExpress is bad. It's that it's not designed to grow with you. Your supplier should match where your business is right now. What works for testing is very different from what works for scaling. And you don't need to switch everything overnight. Most people move through these stages naturally. And if you want to explore any of the suppliers we just went over, I'll leave them linked down below so you can check them out yourself and see which one fits your situation. I also have a ton of free resources down there, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.